For they all saw him and were troubled. And immediately he talked with them and said unto them, Be of good cheer, it is I, be not afraid. May God bless you. Amen. An vain amaan mua an tlaphang lea ni masela ani chuan an mani abeta ngala an hnena tlamuang takin omro keima kani alom lausu atia tlamuang takin kan omang isu alo nia kan lau lovang lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.